Hi friend, welcome to Plus2Net. Download the source code from the URL given at the description and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. URL of this sample student table is available in the description. Let us copy the SQL dump of this table with records. To use our sample table, let us first create the database. We'll close this. We'll create database. You can give your own name. I have given my DB. Now let us use this. Now let us paste our SQL dump. We will execute all our queries. Yes, it is now our sample table is ready. By using limit command in a query, we can restrict the number of records to be returned from the table. Now let us say first start with a simple limit command with where we use two integers. We use the limit query with two integers as inputs. 5 says that the position of the records from where we want to return, and 10 is the number of records we want to return. So this is the offset, this is the limit. Now let us execute it. So this command will return us from the 6th record 10 records up to 15th. So this way we get it. See this offset number 5, this first number is optional. If you don't give it, what will happen? Let us remove this and 10. So this now it will return 10 records starting from the first position. Right, 1 to 10 is returned. Now with this, let us try one more example. We'll start from 20th record and we'll return 10 records. So this is the query. Let us see. Yes, we got it from 21st to 30th record. So we got 10 record from here. Fine. We'll use order by command along with this limit command. Now let us go for a limit command. Limit will start from 0 to 10, but we will add order by to this. What we will do? Order by mark column. Mark are there, so mark column limit 0 to 10. So we will get 10 records in the order of mark column. Let us see what we are getting. You can see, yes, from all this mark column it is ordered in this way, but it is in the increasing order. Say we don't want any increasing, we want in the decreasing order. So what you will do, we will add here DESC. Now the marked column is will be in the decreasing order. Let us execute this. Yes, so highest is 96, 94, 90, it has come down. So we are limiting our number of records to only 10 records starting from 0. Now this gives us another example, or it gives an idea. So let us say who has got the first mark or highest mark in that one. So what we will do, get the highest marks of the student or the student detail. Let us say by this thing, and we will take it right, start from 0 and 1 record only. Now this will give us the record of the student who got highest. This is the record number 33, highest mark is 96. Now let us see, use this one again, and this time we will see who got the second highest. We will make it starting position, we will make it 1. So using this command we will get the, yes, record number 12, mark is 94, this is the second highest. Now you can see all these cases. Remember one thing, that the limit is, order of the limit is towards right. See, first order by, we are writing here order by, and then you are using the limit. So limit, it cannot be before the order by. Okay, now let us start with some, let us introduce where condition with this. Let us for the timing remove the order by, and here we will write student where class is equal to 4. Now remove this limit. Now let us say 3 records we want. So in a particular class we want 3 records. So let us see. Yes, 3 records of class 4 we got it. Now in this also we can introduce the concept of order by here, where class is equal to 4. Now we will say that order by mark, let us say again DESC, decreasing order. Let me copy this, we'll be using this. Okay, let us run this code also. Yes, see this class is all the four. Now there are, okay, mark all are equal mark. Let us increase the limit a bit. So let us 6, we'll keep it. Let's run this. Yeah, from starting from high mark where it is mark is reducing. So in the order of the mark, and we are getting it in the by when you are using the limit query. Now this limit query is frequently used in the pagination scripts where we break the records into number of pages. So this pagination script you can develop in using a backend script of PHP or Python, and this limit query is frequently used. And remember that the orders are in the order in the order the our limit query has to be used at the right side.